As you can see, she's just as high as the snowdrift. There's Tom. Shovel out the step, and I still got all this to do. And it's still coming down snowing. And the winds are howling.
It's almost as tall as you.
Look. Can you see?
Yeah.
I gotta dig all this out. And I need a break from just cutting this out. Well, I did the walkway. Now I'm tired. As you can see, look at the snow. All the way up, look. Snow, Borgo, snow. That took me a while. I still got all of this to do. Look at my car. Down to the side here. Snow drifts. I'm going to take a break. Then I got to go at it again. So far, blizzard on Bell Island is not letting down.